PDA Parts presents the Blackberry 8700 series take-apart directions.
Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc.
Turn the unit over and remove the battery cover, and then remove the battery. With the battery cover removed, you will find 3 Torx screws that will need to be removed with the Torx driver. Using a case opener tool, run it along the edge of the side of the case to remove the front and the back of the case from each other. This will now free the back of the case from the front. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. The arrows indicate the 4 Torx that must be removed before going any further. With the 4 screws removed, you'll be able to remove the frame, the motherboard, and the front of the case all together, as indicated here. The screen is still attached to the motherboard via 4 clips. There is 2 clips indicated here. Releasing those clips will allow you to remove the screen. There is still a ribbon cable connecting the motherboard and the screen together. You will need to lift the tab on the cable in order to release the screen from the motherboard. This is the tab we were referring to that will allow you to release the LCD ribbon cable and remove the LCD from the motherboard. Please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com.